in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix an unexpected close business account in Wells Fargo. So let's start with the first step, which is to open the application and check the alert. So sign into Wells Fargo mobile application, and from here, a red reads your business account has been closed with $0 available balance. So just have to tap on view details. So you must read the access statements and transfer of remaining funds even after closure. Next is find the exact closure reason. So the account closure details screen names the reason, which are incomplete business verification, inactivity, or a risk review, plus the closure date and reference number. So you have to screenshot both. Every call and message will start with the reference. Next is send a secure reinstatement message. So go to menu, tap on secure messages, and then new message. Address to business customer service. Subject must be business account closure review, and state that you want the account reinstated, and quote the reference number and ask exactly which documents are required. Next is upload your business documents. So upload your IRS EIN letter, business license or articles of incorporation, and government issued ID for each owner. So files must be clear PDFs or photos, and the legal business name has to match IRS records exactly. Once you're done, you just have to tap on submit. Lastly is account reinstated. So review normally takes 5 to 10 business days, and on approval you will get an email and a green account reinstated banner with the account back to active and your balance. Routing and account numbers unchanged. If Wells Fargo declines, you just have to request the remaining funds by cashier's check. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!